Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing stable gear, phone on a tripod, remote or self-timer, and a flat, non-reflective background. Lock focus and exposure so frames don't flicker. Next, plan a short 6 to 12-second action. Calculate 12 frames per second for smoother motion or 24 for cinematic feel. Place registration marks with tape so you can return objects to exact positions. Once set, take your first frame, then move the object slightly. Small shifts create the illusion of motion. You will now enter the repetitive core. Capture, adjust, capture. Use single frame shooting or a dedicated app. Take one photo, move the object 1/4 to 1/2 of its width, then shoot again. Make micro adjustments to hands-free rigs or use fishing line for invisible pulls. Every 10 to 20 frames, play back the clip to check timing and alignment and make tiny lighting tweaks to keep exposure consistent. This disciplined loop prevents jarring jumps and keeps the motion believable. You finish by exporting frames into your editor and setting the frame rate to the value you planned, like 12 or 24 FPS. Use onion skin or overlay guides to tweak timing and apply stabilization or a small crop to hide any jitter caused by tiny shifts. If exposure flickers, relock settings and apply a simple, consistent color grade to all frames. That fixes most visual jumps. Troubleshooting tip: if alignment drifts, back up a few frames and re-register your marks before continuing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.